show you this video of my daylight sensor. I'm sorry it's really laggy. I have a really bad computer, but it's an automatic daylight sensor. When night comes, it'll turn to night. This will turn on automatically by itself. And this is it pretty much. It's really simple. But when I do /time that day, when day comes, the piston extends the redstone blocks. That the redstone block can activate the redstone lamp. So it's just a quick little thing, and I thought that would be really cool. So you could like help save battery power in Nimbus. But yeah, that's kind of my little redstone creation. But yeah, this is what it looks like on a wall. That's a half of one. That's a quarter that you can put in a corner. And then I have a hole in the middle. Then use the whole one. That you can put any design on it too. Pretty easy. But yeah, that's just something I thought I might want to show you. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, and then bye.